Hi guys, welcome to Jan's Journey. Today we're going to be unboxing the last box of 2022 for the premium box. It's interesting that the other videos, some of the videos I have been doing, I unbox it on camera. I don't know what's inside, and a lot of the times I don't have my makeup on because I'm hoping there's going to be a palette in there, and then I'm surprised and then I have to finish the video with almost no makeup on. So this time I'm like, you know what, let me just open it and try the products, and that's exactly what I did. And so then I could tell you what I thought, what was my reaction using those products. So this box is a premium box, and this is the theme, you guys. Pretty is so festive. Tis the season for being extra. The retail value for this box is $205. Here is the box, guys, and I'm liking this. We've been seeing a consistency on it, that the size is a lot smaller. I did my makeup with a lot of the products that are here, and the first product that I tried, Grown Alchemist. When you saw my spoiler video talking about this, I was excited because I have tried this brand, and when a lot of things were not working for my skin, this moisturizer was clearly from this brand. The moisturizer from this brand was clearly working for me, and it was holding the oils really good, and it was great for sensitive skin. So I have tried some of the products, their detox, also the body cream. So I was excited to try the primer. The primer is $42, but this is not just a primer, it's anti-pollution primer. So you will first find from this primer that our feel to it, that it glides really nicely, but it's silicone free, so it's gonna feel like it, but once you apply it, you're gonna realize it's just because it's a gel. I love the scent that it has. It's very soft, and it's anti-pollution, so it's like 2-in-1. I noticed that around 2 o'clock my skin was looking really good, and it wasn't even that oily. So I'm like, you know what, I think this primer is really good. And so let's go ahead, guys, and move on to the next product. So the next item is a lip treatment, and this is from Make. Yes, we only got one, but I already have 2 of those. This is the one that I received, and I like the shade for this one. Luckily it's 2 different ones. This one is like nude shade, this one is pink, so I really like it. It's a lip treatment. Now, what I don't mind getting them in the boxes, to be honest, because it's something that I do every night, and I put that in that drawer, and once I finish my skincare routine for the night, I apply a lip serum and I'm ready to go to bed. So I really like that I don't have to buy it, and I feel like every time we're getting products that have some good ingredients. So this one is from the brand Make. It's called Serum Balm Hydrating Lip Treatment. It does feel very hydrating, not tacky, sticky, or anything like that. I don't think it even has a scent. I really like the color. I even wear it sometimes in the morning, and I even forget that I had it on, but it does feel very hydrating. This one retails for $26. What I do like that it has extracts, I believe, extract from pomegranate flower, and also it has jojoba wax, and this is to really help condition the lips. So yeah, it's not bad, and it's something that I do include in my skincare, so it's good to see this in the box. Next, we're gonna have another product that I do have. I have tried it, but I feel like I overdid it today. I put too much of it, and I think that's the reason why my skin is looking very oily. I noticed that anytime I wear setting spray, if I put a little bit extra, or sometimes I just get extra oilier, a lot shinier quicker. But besides that, I do like it. I don't wear it as often, but it does feel very hydrating, and it does smell really nice. This is from Ciate London Watermelon Dewy Setting Spray. This one retails for $22 at natural dewy finish. So that's exactly what you're seeing, guys, a dewy finish, but I feel like I added too much because I have used it before, and I love how it looks like. I just feel like the makeup is put together, is set, so it is pretty good. I just felt like I put an extra pump, and I'm extra dewy. But so let's go ahead and move on with the next product. And guys, this palette, I'm happy to get this palette from Tresluz Beauty. This one's called Midnight Sales. Yeah, I think that Wishes a shadow palette. At first when I saw the picture, I was like, okay, I know what I'm gonna do for my eye makeup, but the more I looked at it, I'm like, whoa. The more I was inspired, I was like, oh, I could create way more looks than I thought of. I just like the range of the yellow mustards, then the browns, different shades of browns, and then the pinks. I'm telling you guys, you could create so many looks. I usually don't get that from a palette. This one was like, it blew me away. I also liked her signature mirrors that you could just take it off. And look at this, guys. Isn't this so pretty? I'll be sharing, guys, real quick the video for you guys to see the shades that I use and how I did this eye makeup look. This one retails for $35. Not a bad price. And this is infused with Mexican blue agave. There's gonna be, guys, a limited edition cruelty-free and vegan palette that features 18 matte, shimmer, and metallic shades. Really interesting with this. So Complex Culture Easy Eyes Trio, it retails for $40. So here are the brushes. You're gonna see me using these brushes to make this eye makeup look. They blend really nicely. I like that they're very precise, so it's not like a big fluffy brush. It's really precise, so I really like that. This one I kind of like. It just felt like the bristles didn't feel soft. I wish it was a little bit more softer, especially for that area that I used there. And this one was very impressed how much product it picked. It's pretty easy to use and it felt really nice as well. And like I mentioned, guys, this one retails for $40. And the last thing in this box is from Beauty for Certain Perfect Collab. This is a new launch and this one retails for $38. What you're going to be receiving here is two different it's a dual pencil eyeliner. I don't like eyeliners too much, but then liquids, you have to be so delicate. But this one, it wasn't bad. I do like that it came with a very interesting color. I don't know if it was as strong as the picture or the color shade there. They're very creamy. It glide really nicely. It's long lasting because when I swatched it, it took forever for me to remove it just with regular water and soap. So it is long lasting. And like I mentioned, this one is a new launch. So here you get two. And these are $38. I think that is overly priced. But I did apply them on the bottom of my lash line. And I don't think you could see it as much, so I don't know if it's worth the price or if I put it wrong. I don't know. So guys, this concludes my video, my unboxing. So here's my box. Like I mentioned, this one retails for, I'm gonna put it over here because I don't want to say the wrong thing, this wrong amount, but it was a little bit over $200. What do I think about this variation? I like some of the products here. I love the palette. I am so impressed with that palette. I'm also impressed with the primer. I do like when you want to have a dewy finish. This is really good. I love how it smells, but you can't overdo it because then you'll be extra dewy, if that's okay with you. But I feel like it was too much. This is something that I do like to have on my skincare routine. So yeah, it was a pretty good box. I just wish I had something else since I already had this, and also make it something that I already had, but I had to throw away some of my products for the night, so I feel like I'm replacing, so that's not so bad that I got an extra one. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think, and until the next video, bye.